Check this out, guys. Something I'm definitely going to use. Bluetooth wireless trailer lights. Check it out. Comes with a charging cord, charger, transmitter, and some lights. Getting them all charged up, they come with a charger cord that splits off, so you charge them both at the same time. I'll put a link down in the description or comments. Let's go test them out. That little light on the bottom, hold it for 3 seconds, the power button. That's your license plate light. All right, to turn them on, all you do is click the power button in the back. Boom, it's on. Power button right there, charger right there. Now we're gonna grab our transmitter. We'll plug it in right here. There we go. All right, turn signal on, left. That's all there is to it, guys. Pretty sweet. Pretty strong magnet. Woo! Don't break them already, Carl. Super easy. Got a trailer without any wiring or anything. Don't feel like doing it. Got multiple trailers that don't have any wiring. It's a cool kit. Charge says it lasts for 8 hours. The transmitter is 4-way or 7-way as well.